Hey, what's up, guys? Steve from Lethal Circuit, and today I'm just gonna be doing a quick little upgrade for Taylor's PC. Gonna throw in some nice brand new sticks of the G-Skill Triton Z RGB 14, 15, 15, 15 for the latency. So that's pretty good. He's got standard stuff in there right now, so we're just gonna swap him out and then get him a little bit more performance out of his system. So all I'm doing here is coming into his motherboard. I have really fat hands, so I'm going to be really careful here. And he's got a lot of tubes that are expensive and full of fluid, so I'm going to be very gentle. All right, there's one out. Anybody who's not up to speed on motherboards, this is the X570 series by Asus or Asus, whichever however you want to say it. And then if you ever booked memory before, if you're using only two sticks, it goes into 2 spot and the 4 spot, from left to right. Alrighty, so we're out and put these in. Cross your fingers. It's really tight in here with all of the custom cooling he's got in here. Up there we go. All right, there's one. We'll lock it down. All right, that's in spot 2. Spot 4. Okay, so we've got our new memory in there. We're replacing the Viper. These are 3200 megahertz DDR4. These are 3600 megahertz DDR4. And CAS latency on these is 18. So he went from 18 CAS latency to 14. So that's good. So not only is his CAS latency down, but his megahertz speed is up, so it's a double whammy. So we'll just put these back here, and you can use these for some nice paperweights or maybe a coaster or something. All right, and we will shut his system up and power right here, and then we'll hit F2. All right, now we're going into the BIOS. We're going to change. So one thing to note. There we go. One thing to note with memory is when you put it in, it's always defaulted at 2133 megahertz. Canceled. And then, so we want to go in and change. You go into your BIOS, you make sure that it's picking up your RAM. It's got the CAS latency shown right here. That's good. It also says DDR4 3600 megahertz. So we're going to leave everything else auto. That way, if something breaks, Krill can't blame me. And then we're going to hit save changes and reset. And it will show you everything that the BIOS is now changing. Okay, it even changes his voltage too, from 1.35 to 1.45. So because these are a faster, higher speed RAM, they need a little bit more juice. So we're going to juice them up as needed. Okay. And we'll go ahead and hit OK. And we're going to cross our fingers. Now, G-Skill does have software that will allow Taylor to go in and match the aura coloring of his RGB RAM chips, so we can bling it out, so to speak. That's it. Now, he should see probably maybe a 3 to 5% increase in all the productivity that he has with the PC. Gaming, apps, workload, and then we're gonna just check here real quick. All right, so we'll go into Task Manager, and then we're gonna go down to the PC performance right here. Okay, so now we go here. We have okay, process, good, memory. All right, so right here you can see it's reading 3600 megahertz, two of 4 sticks, 24 gig of the total. Yep, so we're good. He's all set up, and it can be as easy as that. It's a little complicated because he's got so much custom cooling in here. The pipes in my big hands is kind of a pain, but he's ready to rock and roll. 32 gigs of 3600 megahertz Castle EC14 G-Skill Trident RGB, and that will wrap it up. Okay, well, that will be it for the Lethal Circuit episode with Steve and then Taylor. If you guys like the content, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and if you are interested in more content, hit the bell notification, and you'll be notified when we have more videos. Thanks for joining in, and we'll see you in the next one.